The maintenance other indicator in your Nissan signals that it's time for a non-standard service check, distinct from routine oil changes or tire rotations. This light activates based on mileage intervals, typically every 7,500 to 15,000 miles, or time elapsed, such as 6 to 12 months. It can also be triggered by sensors within the vehicle's engine control unit or ECU. Common reasons for activation include the need to inspect or replace transmission fluid, brake pads, air filters, coolant, or the battery. Don't ignore it, but also know it's not an emergency like the check engine light. Ignoring it can lead to accelerated component wear. Newer Nissan models are integrating AI to predict these maintenance needs based on your driving habits, part of a broader trend towards connected vehicle maintenance. Resetting the maintenance other light varies by your Nissan model year. We'll show you the steps for both older and newer models. For older models, first turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Then press the odometer reset button repeatedly until maintenance appears on the display. Select Other and hold the button to reset the light. For 2020 and newer models with a touchscreen infotainment system, navigate to Settings, then Vehicle Settings, select Maintenance, and reset the other indicator from there. Always perform the necessary maintenance before resetting the light. Be aware that 2023 and newer models sometimes have software glitches that may require a dealer visit. If you're unsure, consult a mechanic. A professional scan is recommended before resetting, especially in high-mileage vehicles, to avoid overlooking underlying issues like failing alternators.